Hey everyone! Welcome back to Dolliecious Cravings, your go-to channel for mouth-watering recipes and culinary adventures. Today we're making pizza rolls using tasty bread and simple ingredients you probably have at home. So if you're ready to share some love in the kitchen, let's get cooking. Now these are all the ingredients you'll need for this recipe. You can actually reinvent or add other ingredients to make it your own. For example, if you had meatloaf, corned beef, or tuna at home, you can use them. It's all up to you, whatever satisfies your taste bud and makes you happy. Start by removing the hard edges, crust of the bread. Don't worry, may paggagamitan tayo niyan. Gagawin natin niyang pizza. So stay tuned for the next video. Now, flatten each slice of bread using a rolling pin or the side of a glass until it's thin and even. Pinakita ko sa inyo na glass yung gamit para doon sa mga walang rolling pin. Now, let's cut lengthwise half ham and hotdog, including bell pepper. And of course, as well as cheese. Sa cheese, it's all up to you kung anong cheese yung gusto nyo gamitin. Pero masarap tong cheese na nagme-melt. This will make it perfect for rolling and holding the fillings. Spread a thin layer of ketchup on one side of each bread slide. Let's put the fillings. Ngayon, for the bell pepper, it's okay to have them removed kung ayaw nyo nun. Just be creative and have fun in the kitchen. Roll the bread tightly starting from the end with the filling. Press gently to seal the roll. I prepare my breadcrumbs and my air fryer liner. Now in a bowl, you can mix the beaten egg and of course 1 tablespoon of evaporated milk. Dip each rolled bread into the egg mixture, making sure it's evenly coated. Roll the deep bread in breadcrumbs until fully covered. While doing so, you can preheat your air fryer to 180 degrees Celsius for 3 minutes. Arrange the pizza rolls in the air fryer without overlapping. These pizza rolls are perfect for snack time, parties, or whenever you're craving something cheesy and satisfying. They're quick to make, super affordable, and sure to be a crowd pleaser for both kids and adults. Air fry for 8 to 10 minutes until golden and crispy. Pwede nyo rin siyang i-deep fry kung wala kayong air fryer. You can enjoy them with ketchup, mayo, or any prepared dip. But of course, you can enjoy them as they are, crispy and delicious. There you have it, our delicious pizza rolls. I hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy every bite. If you love this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the love with your friends and family. No hate, just love. Thanks for watching.